Jotend bura mar ODM mobalo kamotingo James Orengo kod nyawadgi man jalupo gai mar ODM Godfrey Osotsi onyiso joheragi ni romo mar Linda Mwananchi makiny timore Kakamega biro timore kaka ne ochan maonge ng'ikruok moro amora. Karibu ni chenro mag buogo rocho romono oseneno man kaka ripota marwa Millicent Adhiambo leronwa jotelogo yango ni chik oyiene ja Kenya moro amora mar bago romo mar kwe kojiwo oganda mondo kiny owuog oko oyor romono kar rombgi.
Kane giloso kod ute fwambo dhiambo makawuono e kaunti ma Kisumu, tok lori margi mar Linda Mwananchi mane dhi Kakamega monji motelo ni romo margi odiochieng' makiny jotelogo oyango ni kata buogi manade to romono kiny ne bed maratipo moheo romo duto te mosetimore.
We have actually witnessed places where people are being paid, people are being mobilized to come and interfere with the rally tomorrow. Already one of our trucks which was heading towards Kakamega was hit earlier in the day. But we want to assure everybody that the plans for the rally in Kakamega are complete. This thing is, no force on earth is going to stand on our way. So rest assured that with their machinations, this meeting is going to take place.
Kanyo medoloso, Governor James Orengo, ogolo siem mager, kalure gi okang' mosemienjo, mar temo ketho romono, kowacho, ni mano duoko Kenya chien, e kinde kedo ne demokrasia mar multi-party.
Now, you know that at the very beginning when we were fighting for multi-party democracy, the state resorted to thuggery. You have seen at one time there was even an incident when Reverend Joya was beaten up in front of the Old Saints Cathedral, in front of that church. And the state now is resorting to those measures, which is very unfortunate.
Orengo bende otielo ni ponono kiny gimoro otimogi kata joheragi to gibiro mako bura ne piny owacho wach mane osir kod nyawadgi Godfrey Osotsi.
We stand really firm in what we are doing, and we are going to continue with these rallies. Kakamega is going to be a game changer, and I want to remind those in government, if anything happens to any one of us or to those who attend that rally in Kakamega, we will hold the head of state responsible.
If anything happens in Kakamega tomorrow, we will lay the blame to the following individuals: President William Ruto, Governor Fernandez Baraza, and PS Raymond Omolo as the main conspirators in this scheme.
Senator Osotsi bende ne okone jatend piny William Ruto mondo omigi thuolo mar timo rombegi mag Linda Mwananchi kod kwe, kowacho ni ja Kenya moro amora chiko yiene mar bago rombe makamago.
President William Ruto, if you have done good things for this country, you have nothing to fear. But if you are going to stop our rally, then I want to assure you that you will be actually beginning the process to destroy this country. Destroy this country by not allowing democracy to thrive.
Jotelogo otieko kalero ni okang' mar temo buogogi ok binyago lemo kalure ni rombe mag Linda Mwananchi en mar kedo ne dwach jopiny.
We want to have a peaceful rally. They have had their rally before in Kakamega. We saw the Linda ground holding a rally at Golf Hotel in Kakamega, and no one stopped them. No one stopped them. So we don't expect them to come and disrupt our rally because we are doing it in peace.
I think my political character is out there. I cannot be intimidated. I go by what is right for the people. Those that are talking to you, including the member of parliament you're talking about, you know, their pockets are full. That is the only thing that is driving them. But we stand for the people.
Millicent Adhiambo, Ramogi TV, Kisumu County.
Od bura e kaunti ma Nairobi opwodho chuo komiti madhi nono